LimeWire free download. Driverfix.exe. Oh, reported as unsafe. Heavy problem, yeah, sure. Speed run. Oh, this is torture. I got the good stuff installed. When I was about 14, 15 years old, my family, instead of having a computer for the whole family, we had a laptop. It was a family laptop. It was Toshiba, had an Intel Celeron. No graphics, no dedicated graphics, nothing good. This was just bare bones, bad plastic, Toshiba laptop. I do all kinds of weird hackaroony stuff on there. You know, the standard, like install some jailbreaking software for my iPod Touch 3rd generation. You know, I would definitely not Pirate Bay some editing software or something weird. One time I almost mined Bitcoin on it. Wish I woulda. Thing was though, the older this laptop got, the more things I would notice that just kind of popped up on it. I'd come home from school, my sister was using the laptop all day, and now suddenly everything on the internet browser is like underlined, and then you hover the little mouse over the underlined word that's not supposed to be underlined, and it pops up, and it's like an ad. It's like a built-in ad or something, and I'm like, well, I don't know where that came from. Go ask everybody in the family, where did that come from? And everybody's like, wasn't me, wasn't me, wasn't me, wasn't me, wasn't me. No one did it. It's just, now it's there. And it wasn't. Or suddenly Internet Explorer has one more search bar. Naturally, we call them viruses. Some of y'all are gonna be triggered that that's what I'm calling a virus. Some of y'all are gonna be like, it's gotta have like kernel access and be.
It's not a virus if it's just.
If you're the type of dude that's gonna be triggered at that, you're also probably the type of dude that still religiously tells people to get an Android phone because it has so many more features. I don't care, dude. I want blue text. So this is what we're gonna do. Is I got this laptop here, this nice, shiny, fancy looking laptop here. Very poggers. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna murder it with viruses. You see how bad we can make it. I'm gonna try to put 100 on there. Oh, you know what? Yeah, let's use Bing. And I'm gonna type in LimeWire free download. Yeah, LimeWire free download. Let's go get some of that. We're just gonna go through the process of typing in free download stuff and the various things that would give us a virus. We're gonna do them. Look how dumb and naive. This was hours at a computer downloading files that haven't been touched in decades. Page 103 of Internet Explorer toolbar add-ons. And it got dark. Really dark. We're gonna go all through the ways of how to get viruses. So I don't know what this is, but yeah, download and install. Yeah, that looks sketchy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. So that's one. We're gonna do 100 of those and just see how bad it gets. See how torturous we can make it. And then at the end, we're gonna restart the computer. Restart the computer. How many did we get? How many did we get? And see what happens. Well, my nickname will be Poop Dog. I hope none of this is like illegal though. All right, while that's doing something in the background that's surely not malicious at all, we'll go ahead and go back to bing.com because that's what we're using. And we'll type in free music downloader software. That's gotta be a good one. And then we'll just click like, you know, we'll scroll to like the 5th page, free music downloader. Here we go. Yeah, download free. There we go. That looks legit. Real Player EXE. Let's get that installed. All right, installing. The first one with the LimeWire free software might just be using my GPU to like mine Bitcoin for someone else. Not sure, a little bit scared, gonna be honest. Accept all, yeah. Accept, oh, Avast, AVG, accept, baby. Yeah, we love those. One thing that always gets me, dude, is the freaking driver websites, driver update free download. The driver websites are always just triggering me. Download now. Thank you. Driverfix.exe. Excellent. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, driverfix with the big percentage thing on it. That's nice. MySpace video downloader. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. Video converter, free download. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I think that's for Mac. We're gonna click it anyway. Oh, that doesn't look good. Let's go to, okay, let's type it. Adobe Premiere, good software, free download. Right now I'm on page 14 of Bing. Not many people can say that they do that. Oh, reported as unsafe. More information? Oh yeah. Continue to unsafe site. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for that. For the record, this is all CGI. This is not me doing this. This is for the cinematic purposes, and it's not me that's clicking the download. Unlimited Robux. Free download. Free Robux. That's what I gotta do to get the free Robux, dude. I'll do anything. We on some sketchy websites now, boys. Free Vbucks. Yeah, free Vbucks generator. Amount of Vbucks? $1 million. Enable aimbot? Yeah, I'd like to enable aimbot. Enable it from ammo? Nah, dude, that's cheap. I already have aimbot. Please enter username. Oh, allow. If you are the account holder of Poop Dog and you're getting these Vbucks, you're welcome. Download free RAM. I would like to download free RAM. Download. Oh, here we go. Keep. Yes, please. That's always a comforting feeling when it says setup.exe. Oh yeah, automatic free RAM memory software. How often do you like to free memory? Soft legit mega compressor. Download, please. Yeah, download here, because that's the correct download. And then wave browser exe. That's what I wanted in the first place. So accept and install. Okay, I think something just installed Chrome. Chrome was not on this computer. Oh look, dude, it's happening. Just like I described, the thing, man. You hover over these lines now, and you get an ad. They've been doing that for 1,000 years. You gotta get like 50 softwares to get rid of it. It's the most annoying. It's the ad choices, bro. Freaking download free money. Big money, download now. I'll take that. Keep. Says it can harm my computer. Keep. Big money deluxe installer. Oh, it's a game. 60 minutes of free gameplay. What a great deal. It broke everything. Nice. Oh, it's Candy Crush. Nice. Yeah, let's have that start option at startup. Oh, accept and install? Yes, please. Free download manager. I need a download manager. That way for my downloads, I can manage them. Free download manager installing. Free software downloads. Download now. Keep installing. I got some editing. Video pad editor. Oh, very nice. Reddit says... Oh, so something's gone on here, and now this browser has a dot in the center. I was trying to look up how to download virus intentionally. Oh, and it's gone. I began to see some flaws with my fun little video idea. I was learning what could go wrong. Just a small bug. That's fine. Free virus remover. Yeah, that'll probably do it. Oh yeah, free download. I'm just old granny wanting to get rid of that virus they were telling me about, so I'll just install it. Yep. Oh, it kind of hurts. Like it hurts a little bit inside me. Oh man, that one's like, I know that one's really bad. Easily access browser shortcuts. Yeah, add to Chrome. Yeah, add extension. That's gotta be legit and good. We just got like a browser manager thing. You know what, let's just install like 50 extensions. Oh, something just popped up. Okay, it's a little pop-up. That's no big deal. That happens. Search tools. Nice. Wayback Machine. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Add extension. Very nice. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Add extension. Torrent downloader. Yeah, we'll install that. We'll pop up down here. No big deal. Get. Keeps popping something up. Let's just install this one. Uh-oh, something's popping up. Oh, new browser. Combo cleaner. Start your download. Knox app player. Yes, please. Download. Please install that. What? When did I get Facebook? Yahoo Toolbar. Please install that. Please. Cool. Yeah, Yahoo Toolbar. Driver support. Install that. Oh, that's not good. That's probably fine. Live TV toolbar. Now that's nice. Excellent. Dude, did it just install old school Internet Explorer? Ask toolbar. Oh my gosh, it's like we're rewinding back in time right now. Oh, very nice. This just gives me like flashbacks of things loading so slowly. Oh, here we go. So the screen, oh. Yeah, we got toolbars, baby. Now I can search stuff easier. Live TV toolbar. Oh my goodness. Dude, nothing is, I can't close it, okay? I can't scroll this page. Oh no, boys. I think we've done it. Oh, I can click there. Yes. RoboFarm. Run. Install. Nice. Oh, enable. Ah, we got RoboFarm. Oh yeah, here we go. Accept and download. That's what I wanted, was that.
You are almost done.
Oh my goodness.
Click run below to get started.
Okay, we'll just install that. That way, in case I don't know what to do, it'll just tell me what to do. While we're at it, let's see like what is causing this. Oh my gosh, I can't move my mouse right now. 100% CPU usage? What the heck is using the 100%, man? Free Bitcoin download. Get Bitcoins free, that's what I wanted. Because if I can get them for free, then I can sell them. Get free Bitcoins. Bitcoin's free, doesn't give me any free Bitcoin. Kind of a bummer. No free Bitcoin. Not a big deal. How hard is it to give me free Bitcoin? Free download, yeah. Install that bad boy. iMacros. For Internet Explorer, free download. There is a lot of things open here. I got another toolbar. Yeah, slap that on the C drive, man. iTubeGo. Yes, any image downloader. Got it. Install. Finish. Dude, I'm reaching like ultra instinct. We're gonna get every software ever. Install app. Just says install app. Install. Thanks. Yes, please, allow. Oh, the download doesn't even happen on my computer. They download it for me. Nice. WinZip computing. Welcome to WinZip. This is not like any WinZip I've seen before. Pretty sussy-wussy compared to the other WinZips I've seen. A little bit Amogus Bobby. Amogus Bobby. eBay toolbar? Let's go. Get scammed in record time. Download. Yes. Windows protected your PC. Run anyway. Oh, stinking eBay toolbar. That actually kind of looks cool. Baidu's Spark browser. Download. Can't believe all of this is just free. Web of Trust? Oh. Yeah, that looks legit. Ad for Internet Explorer? I don't know what that does. Nice, thank you very much. Oh, it's an ad blocker. Internet Sweeper, download. Foxy Tunes, download. Trusted download. It's good, because if it wasn't trusted, we're not downloading it. Oh, that looks bad. Oh, now we're talking, baby. Scroll wheel does nothing on Internet Explorer anymore. Not sure what made that happen. Internet window washer installation. This is a good one, I can tell, because of the way it looks. Earthlink toolbar. Installing toolbar files. Weather Channel desktop. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Please install the Weather Channel desktop. Nice. You look at the toolbars. We have so many toolbars. That's one thing I've learned is if you have the right tools for the job, makes it so much easier. Internet Explorer key, internet radio setup, internet organizer. Keep it nice and organized. That way it looks clean and tidy. Skype toolbar. Skype. Please and thank you. Oh, my mouse is lagging, dude. I spent the next few hours installing Internet Explorer toolbars. Oh my goodness. I am deep down a hole right now. The goal of maximum toolbar was achieved, but at what cost? Computer is secure. What a load of garbage. Zone alarm. We've got you. Download. I don't know how I got here, and I don't know what I'm doing. I could feel the room getting darker. Fish guard. That way my fish can be guarded. That was stupid. But I couldn't stop. I don't know where or why, but there's just a watermark on the screen, so that's good. I couldn't stop. Amogus Bobby. Suspicious file detected. That's the point. Amogus Bobby. Torture. Help, I can't stop saying Amogus Bobby.
I can feel my brain melting.
Amogus Bobby. It has been hours. I got the good stuff installed. That's pretty full. So I finally got my browser set up the way I want it. Hours later, it takes a little bit to open up, but this is just peak efficiency. And so what I like to do on my optimized browser, I Bing search YouTube first. And then if that one doesn't get there, I go down to my Yahoo toolbar and I search YouTube there. Sometimes it glitches out after you search it. Then I just use my fourth search bar. So it's a good browser. It just doesn't go to websites. Since it wouldn't let me go to YouTube, I'm just gonna play Among Us. Steam's gone. I think something uninstalled Steam. You know, probably just what I need to do is restart the computer. 35 apps. All right, nice and easy. So it should be a pretty clean boot here without too many things starting up when we turn it on. It's just taking a little while. Yeah, see, it's fine. Nothing even came up. Oh, that's fine. That's just because I had a Wave browser open. Oh, and then Total AV and driver fix and just minimize it. Yeah, and then mouse, dude. Oh no. Oh yeah, and then we had that open and the web store open. Oh no. And those were open. And my sticky notes. No. Goodness. No. Dude, my mouse lags so much. How many did we get? How many did we get? 192? 190? That's almost double what came in the title and thumbnail. Since the filming of this video, weird files have been showing up all over my other computers. Now, I suspect this had something to do with my local area network, but I don't know how or why or what the files are doing. But I will install a new virus on this computer at the end of every video. But just know, I might be getting hacked soon, and I really, really need you all to know that